Hello, everyone. Welcome back to my YouTube channel. Today, we are diving into one of West Africa's most traditional loved foods, millet pap, also known as Ogi Baba or akamu. You see, today I have to look the parts. Iyologi ade. Today, I bring to the table of the wellness people Ogi Baba. This smooth custard-like meal has been enjoyed for generations as wholesome breakfast and even as winning food for babies. But millet pap is not just about tradition, it is packed with nutrients. Millet is naturally gluten free and rich in fiber, magnesium, iron, and B vitamins, which helps with digestion, energy production, maintaining healthy blood sugar levels. It is also light, easy to digest, and provides good source of plant-based carbohydrates, making it perfect for both children and adults. In today's video, follow Yaologi as I take you. Isn't that funny? When was the last time you had that word, Yaologi? Well, welcome to Yaologi's kitchen. I will take you step by step through the entire process from cleaning the millet grains, soaking, fermenting, grinding, sieving, all the way to cooking and serving it hot with your favorite side dish. Today is going to be moi moi on the table. By the end of this video, you will know exactly how to prepare this nutritious, comforting food right from your own kitchen. So stay tuned and let's get started. When making millet pap, the very first step is selecting the right grains. This determines the taste, texture, and overall quality of your final pap. Not all millet sold on the market is clean or fresh, so you need to pay close attention. Look out for grains mixed with sand, stone, husk, or dust. These are common in locally packaged millets. Always run your finger through the millet and scan visibly for any tiny particles. Dirt not only make the pap unsafe, but also ruins the smooth texture. Here, I sourced for red millet. Fresh millet has a mild, slightly nutty aroma. If you perceive a musty or sour smell, it's a sign that the grains are old or improperly stored. Fresh grains ferment better, giving your pap that authentic tangy flavor without unpleasant aftertastes. The next crucial step is washing them thoroughly. Rinse thoroughly in clean water to remove sand, debris, and husk. Repeat washing severally until the water runs clear. The next stage is soaking. I apologize, I missed the video. I didn't record when the water was clean and when I covered the grain. So here you will place the clean grains in a bowl and cover with enough water to clean. Soak for 2 to 3 days, changing the water daily to prevent sour rot and encourage slight fermentation. This fermentation process is what gives the millet pap its unique tangy flavor. Here is the third day of fermentation. For this one, I extended it to 4 days fermentation because it's quite a lot. It's like 11 pound worth of grain. On the 4th day, I rinsed off the fermented water and rinsed severally. Here I have soft 4 days fermented red grains ready for blending, actually grinding. To get a smooth pap, you need a high-powered blender, 1000 watts or more, or a local milling machine known as aerology. A weak blender will leave the paste grainy, but a strong one gives you a silky, lump-free slurry. that makes sieving easier and the final pap smoother. Blend the grains into smooth, fine paste using water. The slurry extraction, which is the sieving, is the hardest part for this video because remember I said it's a lot of grain, 11-pound worth. Place a fine sieve or muslin cloth over a large bowl basket, just like I have here. Pour the ground paste in the sieve, add clean water, and rub through to separate the fine slurry from the chaff. I'm sorry I didn't record that part. Continue sieving multiple times, discarding the husk until a smooth slurry remains. The slurry is the raw pap extract. Wellness family, you will have to forgive me. I missed recording a very important step. After sieving the pap, I covered it and left it to sit about 12 hours so that the sediment could settle at the bottom. I also missed showing the part where I poured out the water on top. Don't worry, I will talk about the pap water in the next clip because it has its own unique benefits. Here, as you can see, I am collecting the thick pap sediment after pouring out the water. Here is the famous Ogi Baba, akamu, or red millet. You can store it in the refrigerator or freezer. In traditional practice, it is often molded into bowls, covered with waters, and stored for days. So, here's something you should know. Pap water acts like probiotic because of the fermentation process. It is packed with good bacteria that can really help your gut health. If you have ever been down with malaria or the flu, or you're just recovering and don't have much appetite, tap water can help your recovery and boost your general wellness. Like I said, it acts like probiotic and that's powerful. Personally, I'm going to use my pap water to mix the pap. That way, it gives the pap stronger, tangy flavor. You know that sharp slapping taste we all love. Oh, what are the benefits of pap water? Like I mentioned, probiotic, rich in good bacteria that support the gut health. Digestive aid, it helps improve digestion and relieve bloating. Appetite booster, great for recovery after illness of malaria or flu. Hydrating and energy, provides quick hydration and light energy. Immune support, fermentation enhances nutrients that strengthen the body. So here, you can drink this pap water first thing in the morning or at any time, like I do. Boil water separately, then gradually pour hot water into the watery paste while stirring continuously. The mixture thickens into a smooth, custard-like consistency. Add more hot water to reach the desired thickness. Sweeten with sugar or honey. Here I'm using honey. Some people enjoy it without the sweetness. And stir. What is Ogi Baba without evaporated milk or powdered milk for that creaminess? Traditionally served with Moi Moi or akara. Some people enjoy it with fried plantain, bread, or nuts. It's time to do justice and taste this great union. Just look at that gorgeousness, the beauty of Ogi Baba. Let's taste. Drum roll. Mmm. Mmm. Two hands raised for the Ogi Baba. Ọwọ́ méjì for Ogi Baba. Now let's try the Moi Moi. Remember, the spotlight is not on the Moi Moi today. It's the Ogi Baba. And the Moi Moi is one life. Mmm. Mmm. He enter wella. This is a true union, the marital union of the mouth. Let's give it another go. The tangy, sharp sweetness is so good. I have to hold my cheek for support. More wellness people, your cheek cannot survive this one. Thank you so much for watching. Don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe, and hit the bell button so you never miss a video. Share this with a friend who is wellness conscious, and I'll see you in the next one. Bye.